Oh dear mother, I can understand what's going on. This is also very natural. There are some situation that happens in the body and mind due to some adjustment of hormones after giving birth to a baby. Let me congratulate you first on having a wonderful baby. And I know that you want to spend good time with your baby, which you can do. Postpartum depression is a very, very temporary condition, and you can definitely come out of it. We have come out with a very wonderful kit. So now, first, immediately go to our YouTube channel and watch the video. We have come with such interesting therapy and a very powerful way of helping you come out of postpartum depression. So don't prolong this sadness, don't prolong this confusion. You can download our kit because we have given you such user-friendly kit that you don't have to think, you don't have to plan. Just follow the steps given there. Just listen to the music therapy over there. Just speak out the affirmations, read out the affirmations, and you are going to feel so nice. Just the other day, a mother downloaded this kit, and within 4 days, believe me, within 4 days, she was feeling so much better. So go ahead, don't postpone, and download our kit on how to overcome postpartum depression.